Hello guys. So today in this video I'll be explaining how to solve daily temperatures medium Leetcode problem. So before we start with the coding, let's first understand how we are going to solve it. What will be our approach? Okay, so let's take this example. So this is the given input. It's a temperature array and I have written its indices in the blue color, and then next this is the expected output. So what we can do is, let's make a result array and it should be of the same size of the temperature array, and initialize all the elements as 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. Now let's take a stack, and in this stack let's start putting the temperatures. So temperatures, and it's actually we will put the indices and we'll compare the temperatures. So I'll put first 74 comma 0, then next is 72. So now I'll check if 72 is greater than 74. No, it's not, so I'll put that in the stack with its indices. It's 1. Then 69, again it's a smaller number, smaller temperature, I'll put inside the stack. Then 68, I'll put inside the stack. Now we encounter 74, sorry 73. So 73 is greater than the stack's top element. So what I'll do, I'll remove 63, I'll pop 63, I'll pop it, and after popping I'll check its index. So index for 68 is 3, index for 73 is 4. So 4 minus 3 gives me 1. So what I'll do, at 3 of the result, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at 3 I'll put 1. Next I'll check 73 with 69. Again 73 is greater, I'll do the same procedure. 4 minus 2, it's give me 2. So at 2 I'll put 2. Then 72, again it's greater, 73 is greater than 72. So 4 minus 1, it's 3. So I'll put here 3, and now I'll check 73 is greater than 74. No, it's not, so I'll put 73 and its index, that is 4. Then next is 76. Now 76 is greater, right, and its index is 5. So what I will do, 5 minus 4, it gives me 1. So at 4 it should be 1. I'll remove this from the stack. Now I'm left with 74. So 76 is greater than 74, correct. Index 5 minus 0, it's 5. So at 0 I'll put 5. I'll remove it. Now I'm left with just 76. I'll put it, and next I don't have any number, so I'll just pop it, and for 76 it will be just 0 as it is. So this is how we can solve the daily temperatures problem using the stack. So let's check the time complexity. So the time complexity would be big O of n, and the space complexity will also be big O of n, as we are putting all the temperatures inside the stack. Now let's try to code it. So I'll declare the stack, then the result array, it should be the same in the length as the temperatures. Now we'll iterate over the temperatures array. while stack, it should be like we have to check if stack is not empty. So length of stack is not equal to 0, and we will check if the temperatures of I is greater than the element which is in the stack, at the top of the stack. Temperatures of stack minus 1. If it's that true, then we will pop the element from the stack. Then result of popped element should be I minus popped one. Then we will add in this stack dot append I and written the result. Let's try to run this. What all errors we have in range? Okay, length of temperatures. Okay, all the test cases are passed. Let's try to submit it. Okay, perfect. So yeah, this is how we solve the daily temperatures problem using stack. If you guys have any questions, any queries, just mention it in the comment section. I'll try to resolve them. Thank you.